Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to go over how you can import data between two Google Sheets files. And the benefit of doing this is we're not talking about just copying and pasting data, we're talking about having a live connection there. So that way, if you make changes to one sheet, they'll be reflected on the other one. So in this example, I've got some stock prices, and let's say I want this to be part of another Google Sheets file. So I'll copy this link here, right click copy, go into my new untitled spreadsheet and use the import range function. So here I'll put the spreadsheet URL within quotes, and then I'm going to specify a range. So in this case, again, within quotes, columns A through B. Close this out. And initially it gives me an error because I first have to allow the connection between these sheets. So clicking on this, now the data will refresh and you'll see I've got an exact copy of what I've got in this file. Now the one thing that you may want to do is include a sheet reference. Right now I just reference A and B, and the problem with this approach is that if you've got multiple sheets, like let's say I create another sheet here, move this in front. If I go back in here, you see the data updates, and it doesn't find anything in that first sheet. So a way around this is by just adding a sheet reference. So if I just type in sheet 1 exclamation mark and then the range, now it's going to pull from sheet 1. So just one thing to keep in mind if you're linking between files that have multiple tabs. And another thing as you already saw, is that the data will update. So for instance, in this example, I was pulling Amazon stock price. Let's say I change this to Apple, right? So we're going from 90 some odd dollars to about 75. Now, if I go back into my linked spreadsheet here, you'll see that also updates. So this is the advantage of using the import range function, is that you're effectively creating a connection between these sheets so that it's going to update live and give you the up-to-date data so that you don't always have to go in and copy and paste anytime there are changes. Google Sheets will automatically pull that in for you. So just a quick tip on connecting your sheets in Google Sheets using the import range function.